Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the role transition on Higgsfield AI. Now Higgsfield AI is a free AI website that allows you to create stunning visual effects for your video projects. All you have to do is to log into this website, then scroll down and choose the role transition here for in the visual effects section. Then you'll be brought to a page like this where you see how the effect has been applied to other videos and what you can actually expect to. So you can see how it is here. So it's basically the application of its name, role transition. So it's actually a transition with the rolling effect. So all you have to do is to click on generate, and you'll be brought to a page where you can now upload your image so that the effect would be applied to your image, and you can create the 3 to 5 second video for this particular effect. Now you can upload your image here, and if you have a prompt you want to add, you can include the prompt here, but this is always optional. So you can just scroll down and choose your model. If you're using the free one, just leave it at this Higgsfield light. Now if you're using a premium, you can go for any of them. So once you're done, click on generate here with 5 credits, and then after few seconds your video would appear in this way, and then you'll be able to download it here from here, and then you can apply or use the video in